Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Mufida Munir from Sarjana Wiyata, Taman Siswa University, Yogyakarta. And my apologize if the presentation screen doesn't appear full screen because it can be recorded on my device. Okay, so let's start with my title is Improving Vocabulary Skills through STAD Strategy for the 7th grade students of SMP Wahidiyah Senduro Lumajang. There are 4 contents. Number 1 is introduction. Number 2, literature review and research methodology. Number 3, research discussion. And the last is conclusion. Let's begin with introduction. Background of the study. Vocabulary is one of the basic skills in English, which is the basic for a person to speak or communicate in English. When learning a foreign language, vocabulary is considered one of the most important elements in understanding the lesson materials. Through vocabulary skills, students grasp useful information. And the identification of problems. Number 1, based on the result of direct interviews in class, it was known that some of the 7th grade students didn't have any English learning at all when they were in elementary school. So there was an imbalance between students in terms of English skills. From the lack of basic learning, there are several shortcomings, including the students' knowledge of English vocabulary. Research purpose. The aim of the research is to understand how the STAD strategy affect vocabulary skills of 7th grade students at SMP Wahidiyah Senduro Lumajang. And the problem solving. Regarding the case above, the researcher raises a cooperative learning method to be applied in the teaching students. Let's move to literature review and research methodology. What is vocabulary? Pikulski and Templeton in 2004 defined vocabulary as the number of words that can be used and understood by students. And the STAD strategy is student team achievement divisions. It is a collaborative learning strategy in which small groups of learners with different levels of ability work together to accomplish a shared learning goal. And the research method, the method used is classroom action research. Qualitative approach is used in this research. Instruments used in the form of interviews, observations, tests, and documentation. Research subject and place. The research subjects are 7th grade students of SMP Wahidiyah with total 26 students. The location of the junior high school of Wahidiyah is on Senduro District Office Street, Lumajang. And we move to research discussion. Number 1, in this study using classroom action research, researchers used 2 cycles, namely cycle 1 and cycle 2. Before carrying out the 2 cycles, the researchers conduct a pre-cycle first, related to the mastery of vocabulary skills in students. And this is the results of cycle 1. The result of pre-cycle. Based on the interviews with teacher, the learning method in the classroom used conventional methods. Students did a lot of activities such as doing questions from textbooks. While in 7th grade students' class, some of them have never received English language learning when they were in elementary school, so that students face difficulties in comprehending every single material that they read. And the result of planning, number 1, researcher prepare lesson plans, prepare instruments, and prepare learning media in the form of pictures. For the use of media, it is adjusted to the conditions in the classroom and the limitation of the device used by the researcher. And And the action. Researchers carry out activities based on the lesson plans that have been prepared. The material discussed is about greetings and self-introduction. Some students seem enthusiastic in participating in learning activities, even though they still need guidance in pronouncing the vocabulary being tough. The result of observing. Students follow the instruction of the researchers very well. Some were still afraid to take part in learning, apart from having never studied English. These 7th grade students are still new students who aren't familiar with the situation in the classroom. From the results of the test for group division, it was found that some students couldn't answer the question. And for the reflecting, at this step, it's known that there are many shortcomings of the researcher that need to be improved, starting from the ability to create an atmosphere in the classroom, to be more enthusiastic, and to apply learning media better. And this is the next part, the conclusions. The implementation of the STID strategy in the English subject matter of transactional interaction text in the greeting section in cycle 1 went pretty well. Although it still needs improvement, researchers can improve and maximize the use of the STID strategy in cycle 2 better. Mastery of vocabulary skills in class 7 students with the application of the STID strategy is quite good. Based on several stages of cycle 1, the vocabulary skills aspect of class 7 students, ranging from meaning, spelling, pronunciation, were quite good after the STID strategy was applied. So, that's all of my presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.